Hi guys, welcome back to County Line Farming. And today, so what do you say? Let's get to it. Oh, I guess they're already clean, but I'll show you the time lapse. So what do you say? Let's get to it. Okay guys, so I just got the Gator, a little bit of the 4440 over there, and the 2044 spreader right over there, done. As you can see, I'm like plastered. Okay, so yeah, we got the Gator all nice and clean. I hope you enjoyed the time lapse. 40 minutes for this, and then I worked on this for about 25. We bought this brand new, so this thing's got that many hours. 1,331.2 hours. So it's got quite a few hours. It has four-wheel drive, lights and hazards, and then your tilt bed blinkers, and then you have your parking brake, your 3 gears, and then your diff for the back too. I took the back mat out here. I took it out and cleaned both sides. Going on to my favorite tractor. We just got some of this side cleaned up and then started cleaning this up a little and I'll show you the reason that I stopped. See this hose, you know, it goes all the way over the hydrant. You know, might just wonder why there's water over here. you know, because I was washing over here and it'd go that way. So yeah, we got Mr. Hole right here. Look at that. I had no pressure. All the water was coming out right there. Okie dokie, folks. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. There might be a part 2, so stay tuned for that. I got the Gator all clean and a decent amount of that clean, so I'm very happy. And I'm pretty dirty too, but are you all right? You're gonna be all right. But anyhow, we got the John Deere 625i Gator, we got the John Deere 4440, and we got the Kuhn Knight 2044 all cleaned up. Not all the way, but worked on it, so might have part 2 of this. Another day I'll do this, but thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment with any questions, and I'll catch you on the next one.